Hey, this is our house at Bosque Del Cabo.
So minimal, the wiring.
We don't need that one.
I think it's all on one circuit.
We don't want to wear it out. The weird thing is when you turn this dining room one on, oh no.
Well, that's some candles.
This one comes on.
They love candles.
Dining room
Those
table.
ones you bought at the ground?
Yeah, like it fine.
How that when these go on?
Here's the kitchen.
It's a delayed reaction. You did it.
No, I didn't. I didn't turn those on.
Undeported in the fridge.
Bitch.
Yeah.
I didn't do it.
Which one? Alright, now, how those go on?
Okay, here's the basket.
I didn't try that one.
No, that's this. That's that and that.
Oh, here.
Say something.
Such as, here we are in the jungle full of monkeys, seen a toucan, the Fruit Loop bird,
Don't need a knife.
also seen a blackbird with fluorescent wings, red on the wings.
Okay. Lovely documentary.
Take a picture of me with tequila.
She put the lime in the lime in the lime.
It's all messed up.
I'm filming a movie. You're in my movie
I
now.
don't want to be in a movie.
Red wine.
Okay.
We prefer still shots so we can pose.
Okay. So the hallway. That's Michael's room. Here's the door shut. My bed. And then closet. Rest of the bedroom stuff. Okay. This is the bathroom. Okay. Bathroom. Look, the shower is outdoors. This is the shower. I'm standing inside of it. See? And then there's another one just like it on the other side. Over there. Pretty foliage. And another bedroom with the door closed. Alright. That's all, folks.